Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Waldorf salad. First, ensure you have about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced. You'll also need 1 large apple, 2 celery stalks, and 1 cup of red grapes. For the dressing, prepare half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. Begin by dicing your cooked chicken into half-inch pieces. This ensures a good texture in every bite. Next, chop your apple and celery into similarly sized small pieces. For the grapes, simply halve them. If you like, lightly toast your 1/4 cup of walnuts in a dry pan for a few minutes to bring out their rich, nutty flavor. This simple step adds a wonderful depth to the salad. Now, let's create the delicious dressing. In a medium bowl, combine your half cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a crucial bright note that cuts through the richness. Season with about a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the dressing is smooth and well combined. This forms the creamy base for your salad. Finally, it's time to assemble your salad. Add the diced chicken, chopped apples, celery, halved grapes, and toasted walnuts to the bowl with your dressing. Gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it on fresh lettuce leaves or with your favorite crackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.